Hi, I'm Daisy Cavendish and I'm studying at Gower College, Swansea. I've studied chemistry, biology, maths and Welsh Bac, and today I received 4 A stars, so I'm going to be studying medicine at Exeter in September. The most support I had was through GCS Honours and the Medicine Dentistry Vets programme, which really helped me with interview prep and all of the exams that go into the application process. I learned about a lot of the additional help at Gower College when I first came, but I did already know about GCS Honours, but not about everything that went with it. I have definitely felt supported academically and personally because every lecturer I've had has been really approachable. So if I've had a problem, I could just go up to them and say, look, I've got a problem, can you help? Definitely been supported the most by the biology department who run the medics, dentistry and vets, and also by Emma Smith who does the Oxbridge and GCS Honours as well. The resources at Gower College are absolutely amazing. I love the library, I could spend every day there, and the quiet space is also really good if you just want to have absolute silence. And also the access to computers and a printer is a lot easier. If someone was thinking about Gower College Swansea, I would definitely say just to do it, because it's honestly been one of the best things I ever did. Especially because I was more scientific in my studies. The equipment and resources here is a lot better than most of the other schools in Swansea, and you get a lot more opportunities with the GCS Honours and the medics. They've definitely got the results if that's something that's really important, and yeah, I would just say to go for it.